Gringo. G-R-I-N-G-O. I said it wrong. That's on me. So hear me clean.
Not tomorrow, not before. Come home right now.
Fear got one hand,
Pain got one more. Come home right now.
I can't live in what if storms.
Or graves I keep digging out.
Woo, 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 woo. One breath, one beat.
One name locked in. Come home right now.
Yeah. Yeah, I said the name wrong twice. Let's drift, not respect. And continuity means details, so I'm fixing that direct. Not gringo, not no slip with a good it out sound. It's gringo.
10 toes.
Real weight, solid ground, that matters. Cause names hold blood, names hold cold. Names hold the spine when the pressure goes cold. So this ain't no fluffy sorry, no puddle, no show. I got the line cleaned up now.
Gringo.
That's the name I know. And that's the deeper part. I've been learning in public, trying to stay present while the noise gets ugly. Future in my head like a riot on loop. Passed on my back like a rusted old suit. One says run ahead, I'll think every bruise. One says look behind, count all you can lose. But neither one can hold me if I stay in this breath. Right here, right now, with my chest out of death.
Not tomorrow, not before. Come home right now.
Fear got one hand, pain got one more.
Fear got one hand, pain got one more.
Come home right now.
I can't live in what if storms or graves I keep digging out.
One breath, one beat, one beat.
One name locked in. Come home right now.
Yeah. They told me anxiety lives out in the future. Depression drags chains from the past through your center. I know both voices, I know that field. I know how a maybe can start feeling real. I know how old hurt can rename the frame. How yesterday's ash still clings to the name, but the present is different. The present don't beg, it just says stay here long enough to have legs. In the future, I'm a rumor. In the past, I'm a scar. Only here do I become what I actually are. Only here do these hands in this life share a room. Only here does the dark start feeling like doom. So I unclench my jaw, let the orbit thoughts land. Let the next right second fit inside my hand. No map, just a compass, no proof, just pace. No perfect clean, and then just courage in place.
Fear says prove it, face a step. Fear wants guarantees before the next breath. Fear builds cages, faith finds sky. Fear says who are you to try?
Faith says why? Nah. Right now.
Not later.
Right now.
No savior.
Right now.
No savior.
Right now.
Just wait.
Right now.
Just wait.
Right now. Choose now.
Not tomorrow, not before. Come home right now.
Fear got one hand, pain got one more.
Fear got one hand, pain got one more.
Wait, come home right now.
I can't live in what if storms or graves I keep digging out.
One breath, one beat, one beat.
One name locked in. Come home right now. Gringo.
Locked.
Now. Gringo. Locked. Now.